out of our horn.
I'm so excited about
Pam.
Do not worry about hiding the rubber chicken in anything. I think it's actually better for the audience to wonder the entire time, why would they have a rubber chicken in it?
Well, if they look at the music, oh, there's something called a rubber chicken. Hey, maybe. Or you're calling our audience stupid.
They're emotional support chickens.
Crescendo.
I'm sorry. Oh, he's being serious.
He is being serious.
I know.
How about I don't come volume control? 76. It's supposed to be, because that note is always the squeeze up and squeeze down.
I don't want to take it any faster because we have high school kids playing with this. I don't know their tempo, what they taking that, so.
Oh, they're going much faster, I'm sure. tell you about my dog?
What?
Did I tell you about my dog and this chicken?
Oh yeah.
No.
First time we took it out to practice, Tam and I were in the living room.
Oh.
And that like 3 dogs came out of nowhere. Woof, woof, woof. And then we had to put it away because we couldn't just put it down.
The dogs would just take them.
And then once in a while when I pick up my backpack to leave to go to practice or something, and it squeaks. What? I'm like, oh.
That's awesome.
Just leave it in the car.